Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G200, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. And this is, to be honest, relatively simple. All you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So let's see where it is located for me. Oh, it's right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it and it will bring you up with this message. So turn on battery saver, extend battery life. Battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hi Google. So let's select turn on, and there we go. As you can see, there is our dark theme. And there's also a couple of things happening in the background which it didn't really disclose. So number one, when you lock the device, it will disconnect from things like Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used for a couple minutes. And this is deliberately done so the device can preserve as much battery as it can. But because of this, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications that will require internet access. So things like Facebook, Messenger, no updates from those applications as long as you don't interact with the device. Now when you wake it up again, it automatically reconnects to those networks, either one of them, and will sync up everything that was missing. So you'll get all your notifications delivered at once. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off quickly by again finding the toggle and turning it off by tapping on it. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.